This is the EC23 electronic power crimper. The unit comes with 8 sets of dies as standard, which are contained in this compartment here. The unit has a counter, overload protection, and direction change. Also has an interlock safety guard, so the unit can't function when the guard's open for operator safety. Controlled by a foot pedal. Simple press of the foot pedal and that activates the crimp action, as I'll now demonstrate. Take your wire with your crimper, place it in the appropriate jewel, simply press the foot pedal to make the crimp, and then we have a perfect crimp.